Hi, I'm Sophia Khazai from Khazai Rug in Louisville, Kentucky. And I'm going to show you another rug that we're working on it. This is a beautiful Bokhara from 1950, 1960. Example of beautiful piece that is ruined by vacuuming and probably dog abuse. You see the back of the rug? The fringe is completely open and is not secure. The fringe is the foundation of the rug, means it goes from one side to the other side. Basically, it's not a tassel. You can just cut them or you cannot sew them. It needs to be open and secure. And we're going to show you before, which is in a bad shape. It's almost gone. The fringe is gone. And we're going to show a quick video during the time that we're working on it and after. It's going to go back to the original condition.